demonstration. My name is Rahul VP. I am the co-founder and chief marketing officer at Articbot. So in this session, I am discussing about a few points like what is Articbot and what are the key features which we have and how to get started with the product and some use cases and how to complete the chatbot training and all. So what is Articbot? So Articbot is a multilingual conversational AI-based chatbot built for growth stage companies to deliver the automated website support to the users. So we are a multilingual platform where you can support your users with multiple languages where the users can choose. With our platform, a business can severely reduce their website chat support without involving too many customer support agents on this. So we have very interesting features. A few of them are like we are a multilingual chatbot. We have a multilingual chatbot which is being powered by a live chat with auto routing capability, and we have a conversation analysis features as well, and also we have a review and feedback systems. And if you are already using any kind of a help desk ticketing tools like Freshdesk or Soho, you can integrate with Articbot. Also, you have a Facebook Messenger integration where your users can directly interact with the chatbot with your brand on the Facebook Messenger as well. So next, I'm taking you to the website and I'm showing you a live interface on our website, how the product look like, and I'll show you how to get started with the product as well. Understood what is the things which we can manage in Articbot chatbot using Articbot chatbot. Now let's have a quick walkthrough through the product. Like what I'm doing is let me show you, like let me demonstrate you how the chatbot works in a website. So basically this is our website itself, and you can see this on the bottom right, the web chat interface where you can have a direct interaction with the chatbot. So let me, before getting going to the chat, let me show you some quick features which we have. So you can select these languages. So we have a multiple 100+ languages capability. So your users can choose the language and they can have a transcript either in English or in that particular language. If you look into this menu section, so you can see these features where you can select the language. They can raise a support ticket. Let's say it can be connected to multiple help desk tools, and directly they can raise a support ticket. They can check the ticket status and they can book the demo callback request. Also, that can directly talk to the customer success manager using a live chat portal as well. And let me quickly take you through to some chat transcripts. So this conversations, if you went through this, is something very it's a combination of a human-centric casual words libraries, casual words, and also like some product related information as well. When a user is typing some particular query, so we have two knowledge base. One is maintaining by company like yours, and also one is being maintained by Articbots. Both this we combine both this knowledge base, and we will respond to a user's question accordingly. And also let me quickly take you through the live chat facilities as well we have. Or the chatbot is unable to respond to a particular question. So the first thing is we will ask you for an email address, where you just need to fill up with your contact email address, and on a particular point you can say this. We have two options. If most of the time, it's a 97% of time, the chatbot is able to respond to your user's question if you have a proper training data is available. But in some case, bot may get failed, and on that time, so we have a direct live chat facility that you can directly connect with one of a customer success manager. So once you're connecting this, you can say this: I have a portal where I can manage the live chat facility. This is called for the every team member along with this lifetime plan will get somewhere around 5 customer success manager portal, and directly I can view this conversation. I can respond back to this user, so I can understand their location, where they are, all this information I'll get in on this platform. And when I'm going back, so this is turned into a more like a live kind of a session. And when you have got all detailed response from the customer success manager, again you can go back. So again it's come back to the a chatbot kind of a mode. And whenever if you want to connect again to that particular live chat itself, you can again initiate the point by clicking the live chat initiate option on this portal. So this is a very unique thing that we have, that in the single platform you can manage all these single steps, where you can manage the live chat and all these in a single platform. And as a next step, so let me take you through in the background, like in the backend section, like the admin panel, where you can where I will cover how to create the chatbot, how to train the chatbot, etc. Through the backend system, we call it as an admin portal. So this is a live agent, live channel, a live agent portal, like where you can see all this in the back in the admin portal itself. So the whole information you can see, like the total users, total queries generated, user rating and unanswered queries, etc. All these information you can watch in the first load itself. And the very first thing which we need to manage is, once we getting started, the first thing is customizing your chatbot option. Like you can select your logo, you can update your logo, you can set the bot name as well, you can set the colors, you can define whether it need to be in the bottom right, bottom left side. You can add some welcome messages as well. Once you save this, so the bot customization is done, and the next process, that's very simple chatbot training. So if you look into any other competitor, any other chatbots in the market, the whole thing which they manage is like a very difficult thing. All they need to create a lot of flow charts, algorithms, and all these things they need to create. But if you look into this Articbot chatbots, we are actually working on a query based modules, query based support system. So let me tell you, so how the very first process, you need to create module, then you need to create a sub module, and then you need to create an acronym. So let me explain what is all these activities. So let's take an example. If you're a financial corporation, so you maybe have a product like I would say the cards, I would say. So that might be divided into credit card, debit card, and what I can do is I can add queries. Either you can directly add queries under this directly for this, or directly you can add queries for the directly on this directly on the sub modules. When you're adding a query, let me show you how it's working. Just need to select the module. You just need to select the sub module for that particular. If you have added any such sub modules, that will show under there. Let me just refresh this page. It shows like credit card. Next is I'm just adding debit card, and you can directly add some queries under that. Just you're selecting this card as a module, and you're just selecting as credit card as a first sub module, and you're adding queries. What is the process to get credit card? So I'm just adding apply on our website. And if you have any specific link you just need to mention, turn that and just add this queries under that. So when you're adding, so this is some kind of a selection mode. Well, so it's mainly, this intent is something like that's mainly related to that particular the most advanced trust word in that particular the question. So this is turned saved in the section, and you can verify that by going directly to the manage query section. You can say this, you have added 2, and you have just added like 1 query on this. So you can directly test this chatbot. What is the process? How to get credit card, or process to get credit card. So you can say this whenever we are adding too many responses, too many queries under this. So this is get more advanced whenever you're adding too much queries to this platform. So it's very simple, as you said. As I said earlier, it's very simple thing, and it's very simple. Like once you're done with this, whenever you're adding into new users, that will get reflected over there, and you can see this performance analysis tool by going this section called performance analysis, where you can see the total number of users, new users, total queries generated, the frustrated users, and the bot rating. And you can see this most advanced, most asking question and unanswered queries as well on this platform. And then going back to this customer feedback, so we'll get the chatbot rating, the product service rating, the likelihood recommendation, and if you're getting some kind of a customer reviews as well, you can connect on that. And finally, let's move into some other integration part. So we have an option directly you can connect with the ticketing tools like Freshdesk. We have an integration, and directly you can connect with the Zendesk ticketing tool as well. Very simple integration. You just need to create some auth and subdomain path for that, and that's very simple. And if you went into this Facebook Messenger, you have an option of connecting this directly to a Facebook Messenger, so your users can directly have an interaction on the website or without visiting the website on the Facebook Messenger as well. And also we have a My Team. My Team is something where you can create the live agent. So in this plan, so you can create a maximum of 4 live agent on this Appsumo or lifetime deal. So very simple when it comes to the chatbot integration. The whole process is very simple, and so I wish you a very happy chatbot training. And for any queries, please feel free to visit our website, initiate a ticket, or have a direct interaction with our chat.